I'm Jeff Sengstack, the author of this Infinite Skills course on Adobe Premiere Pro. I want to walk you through some of the topics we're going to cover in this course. I'm going to start off by explaining what exactly Premiere Pro is. You probably already have a pretty good idea, but I want to go over some of its features. Then I'm going to talk about the video production workflow, getting your shots, getting them into Premiere Pro, editing them there, and then exporting your project in some kind of a file format that people can then view. From there, I'm going to explain what a non-linear video editor is. Premiere Pro is a non-linear editor, so I need to explain that concept to you. Then I'm going to tell you how to set up your system and set up Premiere Pro to make it run smoothly and quickly. Then we'll start working in Premiere Pro, and we'll start off by bringing video and other assets into Premiere Pro. And by other assets, I mean still images, audio files, and graphics, stuff like that. Then we'll start doing some basic cuts-only editing. This is the kind of editing you see with news stories, where it's just one shot after the other, no transitions, no special effects. From there, I'll explain how you can trim and arrange clips on the timeline. So you might have clips in a certain order, then you can rearrange them. You can cut out the stuff that you don't need. We'll do that in that section. From there, we'll make some specialized edits. These are called ripple edits, rolling edits, slips, and slides. Then I'll explain how you can add and adjust video and audio transitions. These are things that go between clips. They help you transition from one clip to another. For video, that would typically be a cross dissolve, and for audio, that would typically be a cross fade. Then I'll explain how you can apply and customize video effects. These things go on the clips themselves and change the way they look. They could be a blur or change the color, things like that. Then we'll go on to performing color correction. This is an important part of the video production workflow, so I'll show you how to make your video projects look really great. From there, we'll go on to compositing, which is the layering of video clips and graphics and photos. You can put multiple layers in a video project. Let's say a picture in a picture, for example, things like that. Then I'll explain how you animate effects. You can make effects change over time. That's a powerful feature of Premiere Pro. Let's say you want to apply a blur to a clip. Well, you can apply it gradually, so it gradually gets blurry or gradually gets sharp. So I'll show you how to use keyframes to animate effects over time. From there, we'll go on to creating and adding titles and graphics. Premiere Pro has this fantastic titler. If it were a standalone product, it would cost hundreds of dollars, but it comes for free inside Premiere Pro. Then I'll explain how you can add, mix, and edit audio. You can add things like a narration, sound effects, music, and then blend them together into a pleasing mix. We'll work with audio effects. Just as you can apply effects to video, you can apply effects to audio. For example, you can create an echo or a reverb. Finally, when you're done with your project, you need to export it, because when you're working on a project, you can only view it if you have Premiere Pro. If you want other people to see it, you need to turn it into some kind of a file format that people can then view. It might be something that can be viewed on broadcast television, put onto a DVD or a Blu-ray, or something you can upload to the internet. These are all the steps that we're going to go through in this course, so let's get started.